Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the grilled squid with fruit jam in Heartopia. So at this new event, the Call of Wheels event, there are a new recipe that you can cook on here. And one of them is this grilled squid with fruit jam like this. And to cook this food is very easy. First, just go to your Tidal Stove. So make sure you have already this stove, and if you don't know how to get this stove yet, you can just click the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then after that, after you get this stove, just tap on it and then just use this recipe. And then in here, just complete all the ingredients. In here you need the Japanese flying squid, and then sea grapes, wakame, and then just any fruit jam. In here I will use this blueberry jam. And then after that, just simply tap on start cooking like this, and then just wait for the process. And just like that, you will successfully cook this grilled squid with fruit jam. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.